stop shooting so many videos. It's ridiculous how many I have to watch already. And I just keep doing them because I know that I'm good at them. And it's fun to shoot them anyway. Because this is what I do in my time. Whenever you're not around, I'm still doing it somewhere. Somehow. Walking around, or driving around, or working, or sleeping, or taking a shower or something. Totally normal. And I can play, I can pretend in order to pay my bills, in order to pretend that Earth person. I mean, I'm on the Earth, but I don't belong here. I fucking hate this place. Earth people are so boring. How could I explain my perspective in quite the way that I feel? 'Cause I can get obsessive about it. Perspective, I know, you don't have to tell me so. I hate that about myself. I wish I could obsess about something else. I wish I could just focus, but I can't do that. I'm terrible at that in particular. Obviously, I'm like showcasing everything that's wrong with me. It's on full display. I say I let it all hang out. Well, I don't have the option not to. It's just the way it goes. I guess women in particular, they don't feel like they can do that. A lot of men, they don't feel like that either, I've noticed. Everybody's so afraid to let it show because they can't let it go. They want to control it, and I understand that, but I mean, I still try to control it and let it all hang out at the same time, so if that lets you know how complicated my life is, it's okay. We understand it now. We don't do it as much as we used to. We're a lot better than we used to be.